Alrighty folks, welcome to Craig's Da Vinci Code Tours, where I take the traditional walking tour and update it by live streaming it worldwide to those at home who can't make the walking tour. A private live stream broadcast directly into your own home with an interactive chat room, allowing you not only to chat with myself, the tour guide, but other ticket holders in the chat room as well. The tour themselves have a Da Vinci Code style twist away from the traditional walking tour. The film itself looks at the secret language hidden in the art and architecture all around us. This tour does exactly that in one of the world's largest Freemasonic symbols, Glasgow's Necropolis. If you're interested in the walking tour or the unique live stream tour, then contact me on the links provided below. Private walking and private live stream tours are also available on request. Again, contact me on the links below. Hope to see you all soon, and I'll show you around this amazing Glasgow necropolis. Thank yous very much. Catchies.